That's not the right scene. Whoops. Hi, chat. Welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? It is Sunday, February 18th of 2024. We are back for another stream. Yeah, it's not our normal day. I was busy yesterday, so we're here today instead. The plan for today's stream is I just have a bunch of junk to do again, as usual. Feels like I've just been doing catch-up for the last bunch of streams, which is fine. And I forgot to open my thingy thing. Steve Bandito, thank you for the resub at 43 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And welcome back. Where is this little thing? Niam! That's what Niam is. Good to see you again. Thank you for the resub at 15 months, and I appreciate both of your continued support. Good to see you both. Let me say hi to everyone who's here. And then we'll jump into stuff. Yeah. It looks like Beldothis was first today. Hello, hello. Oramis is also here. How you doing? Viscount Thanos. Good to see you again. We got Kegsit. Welcome back. Hello, hello. Who said BRB? It's Beldothis. Okay, yeah, I can't see it because I was looking at my terminal one. We're the same color. Little Bully, welcome to the stream. Says the only Python streamer. I don't know that that's particularly true, but I am certainly one of them. Man is Code, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Or is it Man as Code? That makes more sense than Monos Code. Need Elspeth here, hello, hello. In today's stream, Anthony will play with a real life Python. Imagine, right? That's true, the Dev Panda. Thank you for the resub at 18 months. Does that get you a fancy new badge? I think it does. Yes, indeed. Welcome back. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And I appreciate your continued support. We've also got Steve Banduto who's here. We've got we missed a bunch of people. Oops. I missed who did I miss? Sarab. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Andy's getting his Python on its. I don't know. I'm not gonna ban there. 282 says disappointed Anthony didn't win software game dev streamer of the year. Was that even a category? I feel like our category is usually just fucking ignored. UMK, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. My guess is that if I had to guess who won, given that Ludwig organized it, it's probably what's his name? The guy that Ludwig employs. But shrugs. Bugle Cook, hello, hello. How you doing? Fondus is also here. Solrer, welcome, welcome. We're so back, says Kegsit. True. The Dev Panda says pro streamer is so pro. Yeah, it's me clicking the wrong scenes as we start. Yep. It's true. It's true. Zarek, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. You got a scam train. It's true. It's true. There is a scam train going on. Rebels Coder, hello, hello. Wusa, how you doing? Tiny Small 69, been a bit. Good to see you again. Walker Codes is also here. We got everybody today. We've got everybody. Oh, Kegsit, wait, you changed your name. Oh. Whoa. Look at this. You've gone unqueeb. Interesting. Shmuel, hello, hello. Leon says, what kind of chair do you use for coding? We actually have a command for this, I think. Yeah, we do. It's nothing special, but it is the chair that I like. Just do it. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Pirate Software. I've never even heard of them. Who are they? Pirate Software. Okay, we're right indeed. How you doing, Standard Robot? Welcome back. Holy shit, they have a lot of followers. How have I never heard of them? They have 500,000 followers. Fuck? That's insane. But yeah, I mean, obviously someone that's not baby streamed like me was gonna win. Bozo, welcome back. Hello, hello. Hey, Monkey Man. Hi, hi. Software dev stream, very exciting category. I mean, shrugs. Shrugs. You're doing super duper beautiful. Good to hear. Sean, welcome back. I started on Python again. In 6 months, I'm going to take over the world. Yeah. Wee Tommy, it's been a while. Welcome back. Hello, hello. Thank you for the restump at 8 months, and it's good to see you again. Moses says, a friend of mine is looking for a free static website host. Is it still possible to use a good provider for that? I just put mine on GitHub Pages. That's my static website host. That works pretty well. Works pretty well. I've been watching many Korean streams lately. Fair enough, fair enough. Faunus, I think I already said hi to you. Hello, hello again. Standard Robot, how's it going? The Dev Panda says none. I'm gonna make him stand. Wait, Wusa toggled the standing desk. Okay. Well, let me. I got a bunch of junk on my desk that's gonna not go. This. They're gonna cross their fingers and hope it works. Shizum says, how can we get confident in coding? Do it a lot. Get good. Oh, fuck. Yeah, like me and my lights. I can see my text in DOS. Well, it's not DOS, but it is a terminal. It's true. He doesn't need a chair. Looks comfy. He's the guy with a really cool voice. I don't know. I still don't know. I just got the subscribe message as a pre-commit output. Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's the thing there. He blew up in the last 4 months from YouTube Shorts. Oh, they're a former game dev for some company. They do a lot of game dev stuff. Ah, I see. I see. Makes sense. Squallum, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. What kind of desk do you use? An electric one. Yeah. This the right one? No. Like, what is the damn video? Oh no, that is that one. It is that one. I got the right one. Yeah. Just do it. Hello there. Welcome, welcome. X Blizzard. That makes sense. What kind of energy? Hey, look at the bot. Look at the bot doing its job. Where the fuck was it? Fun. Cult Zero, hello, hello. How you doing? 10K people watching. I've never seen any coding on stream. Oh, yeah. A lot of the software dev streamers don't actually write any software, which is, that's how it goes. The only person that actually streamed the category now. I've definitely streamed enough in the category. That's all I do. And this is nominated with the onslaught of AI. Do you think a coder's life is near end? No. AI produces fucking here. Let me just give you a good example of the state of the art AI programming. With an extremely large prompt that should be very good at what it's doing, given how much prompt it has, being absolute shit at its job. What is the user for these? Get Sentry? No. Sentry AI autofix experimental. Let's take a look at some of these absolute embarrassment of pull requests generated by state-of-the-art AI. Ah, yes. If and that is totally going to fix this bug. This one's actually not terrible. Let's see if we can find like some of the really bad ones. This one? There's one where it doesn't even get the syntax right. Yeah, this one. It's just a fucking straight up syntax error. It also doesn't fix the problem. Yeah, obviously this is what it's supposed to be. But anyway, I'm not worried about AI. I think it can be maybe helpful for some people to write small amounts of things, but AI doesn't actually learn or know. It is really just a fancy regurgitation engine, and so it can't actually replace, you know, through creativity and thought and other things like that. But yeah, I don't know if Get Pages allows small business websites. I mean, I don't know why they would care. Frequent CI is hosted on there, so. Anti says I like Cloudflare page. I don't know if I've used them. Usa says it was for a joke. Which, oh, the chair thing? No, we're fine. It's fine. Robot says I'm likely moving to Washington. Oh, neat. I've been there once or twice. Not in a while though. Axel, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Imagine if you had to hand crank your desk in a standing position. I know some that are like that. I know some that are like that. Easy Light, hello, hello. How you doing? My first internship had a hand crank standing desk in the hallway between meeting rooms. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's true. It's true. The other three, oh, out of the nominations, the other three rarely streamed in the category. Yeah, I mean that's fairly normal. They get $1, I get a dime. That's why I crank my desk on company time. Yeah, your desk. What do you think of the Urban Miller Aeron chairs? Are they good? I've sat in one. I don't really like them. They're definitely not worth the sticker price. I'm obviously a cooking sticker that codes on the side. Yeah. Does Anthony have enough ferrets to win the category? What the fuck does that mean? Oh, I got another hype train emote. Hooray! Why are you even running it at work if it only produces garbage? Isn't it more work to look through the PRs than to not use it? Listen, I don't have any control over the prioritization that's led to a team fucking around for months with AI garbage at work. I got no say on that. If I had say, I wouldn't have allowed the project to start in the first place, but here we fucking are. But anyway, learning Python is still a good skill to have. I think, yeah, learning software in general is a decent skill. GitHub Copilot to complete my thoughts. I know how to program it. I'm just too lazy because more to proofreading AI instead of writing code. I mean, I think that only applies to like the very simple, small things. Jen Blair says hello from Poland. Hello, hello. How you doing? Top quality AI incoming. What is this editor? Yeah. That's the AI we need, right? Old Sirius isn't doing it right. Currently in a bit of a programmer's block. I know that feel. I've mostly just been doing maintenance garbage for the last bunch of weeks in my free time, which hasn't been very free, but. Wee Tommy says mine has a button, but I need to hold it. Oh, mine has little presets, so I can just press the preset button and make it go burp. The Mr. Ebola, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Every time I see these supposed incredible results from AI, I remind myself that the people posting them have a strong incentive, recash, to build hype for what they're doing. It's marketing with a side of potentially interesting problems. Yeah. Well, and often when people are like showing off what AI does, they've cherry picked the good results and ignored the many bad results. Fadis, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Is the bot in Python? It is indeed. I didn't like the Aeron either. Mesh wasn't coming. Yeah, I don't like mesh either. I don't even know. Well, I just have a fucking cloth chair, which works well enough. Axel, welcome, welcome. Some of us have no say in it either. You know, I wanted to support LLMs as the person who spent so much time explaining how none of this stuff will end up working. Yeah. My Workies AI hackathon done in a day is better than the Sentry thing. Yeah, that's pretty bad. There are some closed PRs. Does it mean there weren't any? There were some PRs that merged? No, I don't think we merged any of this garbage. Yeah. I don't think any of these have been merged. Yeah. They have all been garbage so far. But yeah. I'm trying to work out how to find time to program after work. Again, now that I'm at a new job. Indeed, yeah. This is tricky. I'm really excited for this kind of stuff to be news headlines going forward. I think I read this one already. Air Canada must honor refund policy invented by airlines chatbot. It's funny, man. Yep. Ping pong, indeed. And Runt, hello. Welcome. Little Billy says, if you can, what's your favorite language? They all suck. English is pretty bad. It's the only one I really know, too. I don't know. Drugs. Spanish is pretty literal, although there's still a bunch of special cases in there, too. But it says, did Pogo change their intro jingle? I don't play it with the sound on at all. But yeah, they did change it for their silly Los Angeles event. This AI is like when people spam repositories for PRs during Hacktoberfest to get free t-shirts. Yeah. In some ways, the people are better at it, though. Zero says, I'm programming a Blender import-export add-on for some files from a PS2 game. A retro game modder. Oh, that's cool. But anyway, to answer your question, little boy, I think most programming languages kind of suck in various ways. Like they all have their problems. Partially because you're using a language to try and describe a system and tell a computer how to do things, which is imprecise at best. I do like the syntax for C#, although I haven't been able to write it in a while. But I need to find out how to remove audio. I don't like my phone vibrating when catching. Yeah, it's in the settings. I like the haptic feedback for some parts of it, but not all of it. But yeah, it's the way things go. Okay, cool. We're caught up in chat. It's only been 20 minutes. Only been 20 minutes. Okay. So let's start with some easy ones, some softballs. Brainfuck is the purest PL. Well, yeah, because it's like direct Turing machine manipulation stuff. Damn, why did they make 2 commits of the same message instead of remixing? They just wanted to make more oh shit, and it's from an org, so I can't fix it. Why did they do it from their like work org? Well, what is their second commit? Why is this 2 commits? I can't fix your PR because you made it from a organization. Can you fix it for me? Okay, well, we can't do that one. Important tax return document available. Okay, well, we're not doing that one. This one's actually interesting. Because I thought we had handled this, but I guess not. This comment gets folded into a syntax error. Yeah, I thought we had handled this case, but I guess not. Should be easy to fix though. What are we doing here? Oh, yes. Yes. What about Shakespeare Lang? Yeah. How many desks do you have in your programming room? 2 at the moment. Are in this room. Do exception classes Oh, what is this feature called? Probably in here, maybe. Oh. Yeah, there's deduplication in here. I'm not really sure what the best thing to rewrite this to is, but surely not a syntax error. Bloop 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 bloop. Bloop bloop. Okay, so here's our problem, indeed. Just do one commit, amend, no edit for the rest. This is bad practice. That's what I do sometimes, unless there's some atomic other thing to do it. Have I not done your texts yet? I've downloaded all the documents, but except -1. I knew I didn't have all the docs yet because of Stripe fuckery. Because Stripe fucking sucks at their job. But Dom, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And I have to figure out what fuckery they did there because they sent me a California tax document, and I haven't lived in California for years, and the stocks that I sold did not vest while I lived in California either. So I suspect there's some counting error there, and it's annoying. It's annoying. I'm trying to write a simple program in multi-languages for fun. I learned that Python's counter uses a heap for most common methods, so now I need to learn how to write a heap in a few languages. Heaps are pretty easy. Ian says, where do you live now? Texas? No. Why do I live in Texas? Act like Slavic! That's a long noodle! Thank you for the resub at 34 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And I appreciate your continued support. This is such a big noodle. Alright, pie upgrade. I'm surprised we didn't tackle this case. Let's see. Visit raise, visit try, blah blah. Right, totally. Yeah. Constant fold tuple. That appears to be our problem. Probably means that it has problems elsewhere too. Unique args. Okay. It's interesting there that it treated those as two separate things, first off. EasyLight says, good thing taxes are calculated automatically when I get my money, so I only do my taxes to get money back at the end of the year. If I don't do it, I get no money back. Yeah, that's how it should work. But it doesn't work that way in the US, unfortunately. Okay, so it looks like this constant folding doesn't take into account comments. And if I might need to sit down for this one. I might need to sit down and think a little bit. He lives in the state of only your imagination, yeah. Bill Cook says, I went to New York City last week. I don't know why you or anyone else should care, but now I've been to the US. Oh, neat. I've been to New York City a few times. Extra Jake, hello, how you doing? Lord Ira is also here. Welcome back to both of you. I'm gonna sit down so we can think about this. Thank you for the standing desk. Redeem, Wusa. Okay. Ah, Kegsit, thank you for putting my desk down. Perfect. Perfect timing. Yeah, so really, we slap a breakpoint here. We should see the problem. Oh. Argsters. Yes. Yeah, that's why I did it. Yeah. Okay, so there's kind of two problems here. One is this should have deduplicated, but didn't because of the comment. Most impulse flew to New York City to go see Lord of the Rings in concert. Couldn't make it happen. Oh, that would have been cool. That would have been cool. There's a few things here. Like, we can solve this. We can solve this by not deduplicating. Weird that my reward wasn't shown in chat. I saw it. I saw it. Not 27x, low. We're doing, yeah, it's not nothing specific today. Although if any of you know anything about custom object detection models and training them, I would like to learn because I'm going to try and make a shitty one later. So keep that in mind for later in the stream. Yeah. What is the good way to do this? I think there's kind of two problems here. Like, if it deduplicates, it should, like, this is maybe not the best example because I think it should just get rid of this second one. And I think there's an additional case where it deduplicates and there's an extra one with a comment. I shouldn't do that. Oh, we got an unbutton. Well, you already have a free one though. You already have a free one. I'll give you one more. Yeah, so I think there's kind of two problems here. There's one in that deduplication doesn't consider comments, and then there's another in that putting them all on the same line with comments can fuck shit up. So we got to do both of the things. This first one I think should just do deduplication, so let's handle that first. Which is tricky. Because we need to basically do argster, but argster without comment. Argsters. Yeah. What code editor do you use? I'm surprised. I'm surprised the smarts is smart enough for that. Yeah, so I think this is going to Remove comments. Token for if token not name not in I guess we could just say tokens equals I think the only token that could be a comment is the last one. Okay. So the problem then is we can't use this cheeky little tuple dict from keys thing that we were doing before. Can you move your webcam image to the left? No, I'm not gonna move my layout, but I will do this for you. We'll just move the code. Why don't I use Sentry AI bot to fix the bug? Because it would fuck the code. Because it is not good. Okay. Oh, this should be add, of course. This is something that AI probably could figure out and fix. Let's not do what I expect. Twikins. Oh. Oh. I guess we can't just pop from the end there. We could do token for, token in, if token. The name is not comment. And it's easier to understand. Okay, so we get down to accept base exception now, which is good for that one thing. Test features, exceptions test. So now this becomes try. Accept base exception. Do. Why is left terminal taller? The same size now. Cyberchrome, hello, welcome, welcome. How you doing? SentryBot would just move the comment for the accept and call it fixed, yeah. Why use the Anthony window manager instead of using Windows key plus arrow? Because, oh god, I like the space. Qualsy, hello, it's been a real long time. Good to see you again. Blender has BBH tree support, but none of the internal tree data like nodes are exposed through the base Blender API. I don't know, don't super know what that means, but sounds neat. What? Oh. I have trailing white space here for some reason. Oops. Okay, so that one's working. But there's a related problem that's not working. Also, let's just make this one line shorter. So this should fuck up, I think. I don't super know the best way to do this. Why is there no comma before ID? Because I fixed the code and then broke it. There'll also be a comma here. Why do I expect this to fuck up? Because we're not handling comments properly, so it's gonna put the comment inside of parentheses. I don't know what it should actually be though. Yeah, right now it just always makes it one line. If it thinks it can dedupe at all. Yeah, so this is what it turns it into. I think I could just make it multi-line if there's a comment in it, which is easy enough. Except except wait, what does this do? What does this do? This super fucks it up. I think we just strip comments entirely. I think that's actually the only way that this can be done. It's certainly the easiest approach. And if they want the comment, they can put it back. If you were me, you would just close the laptop now and call it a day. I don't really have a laptop. Does not recognize it as a comment? Oh no, it knows there's comments there. It's just there's no good answer to this. There's no good answer to this. So yeah. I think we just use this instead. Should be an easy fix. I mean, it is an easy fix in the end. Let's just go back to what we had before. Which I think is just, yeah. Like it's not perfect, but it's good enough. Do you have it under APIs like how many lines of code you wrote per day? I can get the stats, but we don't really measure that in kind of intentionally because it's not a useful metric for productivity in general, I think. So notice that the two hands of the keyboard cam look funny, like hand from the atoms, but like two of them. Thing. Oh, I know what you mean. They are extremely white today. I don't know why. The light must just be the right, because my hands are normal, I promise. Yeah, I don't like. No one is paid by the number of lines of code, and so generally, it's not a useful metric for deciding on productivity. But handle constant folder with comments. Multi-lines better. Oh, why is this window the wrong size? Oh, probably because I did the little thing. Cool. Resolves 932. Like great way to keep comments. It's just weird term. Tunnel lines this weekend. They all stare with Octothorpe. Yeah. Just thought those aren't Anthony's hands. Yeah, imagine. Imagine that I'm just a talking head in a second brain that is synced with mine, writes all the code. Some employers are just very tight monitoring their employees in terms of productivity. I was wondering if Sentry does the same. No, we don't do that currently. Yeah. It's entirely possible to do and easy, but it really, like, the amount of code someone contributes only is a factor if that's part of their, like, job expectations. Yeah, I mean, there's software on our computer that could do that, but I don't, it doesn't come into performance. I write lots of lines of code because I write lots of comments. I like writing the apology letter kind of comments. Yeah. My new favorite comment is when the comment says, I know this looks wrong. Because it usually is. They're usually not smarter than the computer. But, oh, they fucked up the border on this. Get up, what are you doing? Get your CSS together. Anyway. This looks fine. Oh, I forgot to do my password manager. You get to look at my face for a bit. Hooray! Oh, almost missed the mute. God, I almost clicked stop stream. What am I doing? Stouff says I'm smarter than the computer. Huh, I see. Yeah. I'm either super productive or not productive at all. ADHD moment? Yeah. Yeah. Comic Gold, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Productivity does not equal lines of code. Yeah. Very much. Very true. Bum, 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 bum. We can hear you. No. No, you couldn't. I clicked the mute button. You can't trick me like that. Bum patch. Do 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 do. PyPI token. No MOTD has been set. You can use the set command for 200 berries to set. Yeah. Yeah. True. Uh. Oops. Well, right now you have 2 commits with identical message. Don't worry, I got you. Had to do the classic 148 times. Cat Peasant, Lolo, how you doing? Hey, Sentry AI, please set that MOTD at MOTD, please. Love the please sandwich. Anyway. Bum, 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 bum. Typest uses tip as an extension. There's no way that's unique. Oh, this one does say that. Thumbs 32 can be viewed on the Windows operating system. I probably have to put it in quotes. Google's trying to According to this, the tip extension is potentially ambiguous, should unfortunately be accepted here. Sorry, the command is not available in your region. Helmet wearer, hello, how you doing? Automatically generate web page that contains nothing of value. Yeah. Why has no one made a proper modern site for documenting what programs use what file extension? Because there's nothing that enforces it or requires it or any sort of registry. If you use typing.typ, is the typ then .typed? Presumably you have to type the typing into the typing. What did Vim say about this? TYP files are recognized as SQL. Weird. There are too many values to unpack. Yeah. Yeah, that one was easy. Down to 8. I eat bogeys. Hello, welcome. They forgot to make their repo public. Certainly a problem. Oh, fucking, can you read the room, my guy? None of the other ones have slashes on them. Oh, I have to fucking write a goddamn linter for everything that people can do that's dumb. Here, let's at least read through their thing. Then we have to fix it. Create a .m.example based on your .m file. Terrifying. 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 No trailing URL slashes. I already have one in that repo that I can just update. Because there's already one that prevents another class of stupidity. Yeah, Wusa has called the other problem. But I already have this one. No need for .get at the end of GitLab GitHub GitLab URLs. Blah, 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 blah. So I'll just also add no trailing slash. But that's easy enough to do. But I wanted to see how this thing works first off. Yeah, I had a feeling this was gonna be always run true. Which kind of makes sense here. Except, why do they have types, exclude types, and exclude? Try to stream more Rust. Probably not, because chat tends to be terribly toxic. I might do it in in sub-only mode, but probably not otherwise. How do you deal with this stuff? I get a bunch of PRs like this at workies. It's super annoying. Which ones? Like low quality ones? Vita, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Is the rest pip dead? Well, someone else implemented it already, so I don't super have to. As I started my message with /, I don't see it in chat. Yeah, because it got interpreted as a command. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so they've got 3 things here that they don't need. This is usually pretty suspect, but in this case, I think it actually makes sense. It's just a little bit unfortunate that this is always run. Oh, you can't see this. Did they license it properly? They did. What does their thing do? What the fuck is stir path? Wait. Oh, they're just depending on this thing. In case you name your file capital E, lowercase n, lowercase v for some goddamn reason. I would never do this. No, I would not support this. If it's not named lowercase.env, they have fucked themselves. Default equals CWD. Very strange. Recursive? I don't think I would do this recursively either. That's gonna be really slow. God damn it. Mr. Singh. Thank you, 3-7, 26 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. True. 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 Few other things. I would make the M directory required and not recurse. This is going to be extremely slow on large repositories. It would not support case insensitive env. There's only one spelling of M, so no reason to support. Alright, let's write our goddamn slash linter. Technically, they can put a comment to bypass this, but I will just close their PR and ban them if they do that. Kevs, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. That mean you'll be a rich person? That messages with slash are only seen by you, Mr. Streamer? No, that's not true. This one didn't start with a slash, I guess. They're interpreted as commands, so they don't make it through. Yeah. FJS TV, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. You also can't start with a period. Did you see the Astromated package manager? I did, Mr. Singh. We just talked briefly about it. I started them with slash and chat with your tools, saw them but not chat. I'm pretty sure chat's on and is just trolling you, Wusa. How could somebody reply nope if they didn't see it? Yeah, I got you. Source of being rickrolled? No, I just got you there. Slash lighting greater than gaslight. Yeah. Yeah, that's how that works. Okay. No? They accidentally closed their PR? Good job. Okay. Weird one. I didn't know that pushing the primary branch makes your PR get closed. Alright, Kegs, do I spoil your fun? Do I spoil your fun? Oh, that is the right slash. What is your fun? How are you doing this? Is it the leading space? No, that puts that there. Maybe they'll open a new PR? Maybe. We'll see. Indentify? Yeah, that, yeah. Alright, what's your trick, Kexit? Or can I do it too? No. Huh. Oh. You put a space there. Maris. It's almost like I just made a video on this. Yeah, if you put a space before the slash, it works. Zero space. I think we found that Twitch strips them. So I don't think you can use that normal trick. Okay, cool. I've been waiting for a reproduction of this bug for an extremely long time. I guess it's only been a year. But somebody finally has a full reproduction. Which is great. The ugly dev says working on anything fun. I guess. Yeah. Often do you see zero with space in the wild? More often than you would expect. Yeah, more often than you would expect, but most times it's an accident. Yeah. Most of the times it's an accident. Alright, so let's see if we can reproduce their bug. What version of Go am I on? 1.20, that seems new enough. Copy and paste random shell code from the internet. What could go wrong? Yes, he's fine. Burp. Nudge says, when people submit code bugs on GitHub GitLab, is it common to include environment snapshots / images so you can reproduce it easily? God, I wish people did. It would make things so much better. Oh, this feels like a hack. I mean, it is a hack most of the time. Wow, a reproduction, finally. I didn't even see the make temp at the top. Neat. Pin your video on minimal reproduction in every repo you maintain? Yeah. But people don't read those things anyway. Hooray! Yeah, it's not gonna work either. I know Twitch strips those. Tina! 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 Damn it. Well, sorry about the vacuum noises. Tina! Stream can hear your vacuum. It's okay. It's okay. If you close the door, it probably is fine. Bildatha says hi. Tina says hello. Escape sequences? Like these? Go dash E. Hello. Cat Peasant says I like vacuums. I like vacuums better than Python. Okay. Is this gonna become a vacuuming stream? You want to do a vacuuming live stream, Tina? Hello? Hello? Cat Peasant, do you just want a vacuuming stream because it's gonna show feet? Is this just a ploy for a feet stream? Vacuum up all the dead code? Yeah. SDR sequences? Well, interesting. Okay. So we have to set up We have to set up the example in the same way. We need a baking stream. I tried to buy twice as many bananas so that we would have extra to do banana bread again. But teenagers want to buy extra bananas, so we'll just have to wait. Okay, so specifically with git commit dash dash all, I guess. Let's go and commit during commit all. Bye. I've been closed in. What about banana bread mix? But it's so easy to just make it. I mean, the mix is good too. I'll let you have that one. Ain't making me yawn. Yeah, I've been yawning a lot. It's all good. Somehow I made it to my mid-30s without owning a loaf pan. Well, you can get by with a bunch of other types of pans too. Like cake pans will work. Flat pans will work. You could even make banana bread pancakes. Those are real good. This says I hope to own a cat loaf before my 30s. I'm not sure what a cat loaf is, but I will take your word for it. Make hello world doesn't actually initialize it as a git repo, which is fine. So we have to actually do the commit here. This guy then says, dumb unrelated question. Have you ever replicated super with the direct super class because super was slow? I have seen a place where it was slow enough to warrant that, but almost never is that the actual performance problem. But just, I don't know. Ban inheritance. Inheritance is dumb. You should Google cat love? No, I know exactly what you're talking about. Mama Rolf says, as a Swede, this makes me happy. So banana on pizza is okay. I have never heard of banana on pizza. I'm scared to Google that one on my on my stream browser. Banana curry pizza. This sounds amazing, actually. Fuck? Banana, curry powder, and smoked cheese. Is it good? I have never heard of this before. Some of the pictures look really good, and some of the pictures look really bad. Like some of these, maybe we'll try this next time. We tried the banana pizza that's freaking people out. What a shitty clickbait title. Why does theirs look like shit? It's so bad. This is such a shitty BuzzFeed article. Why did I click on this? Okay, anyway. Pedro, hello, welcome. Sauerkraut pepperoni pizza. I don't really like sauerkraut, and I don't eat pepperonis, so can't do that one. Chicken curry and banana is a classic here in Sweden. Interesting. Stream to the stream says, what are you working on? Fixing Golang commit, Golang hooks building during commit. Yeah. I kind of want to, let's see. Did it delete the repo? It did not. Okay, cool. So we can actually just run the final. We can rerun this experiment. Guess we just do this. Yeah. So this should just crash in the same way. Shaz Robot, hello, hello. How you doing? What's your highest commits in a day? I have no idea. I've definitely made thousands of generated commits in a day, but I don't think that's really what you're asking. Color Marku, hello, hello. How you doing? How you doing, Shaz? It's good to see you again. Welcome back. Good to see you as well, Color Marku. What the fuck? Get hooks pre-commit. Okay, so I'm almost certain that the problem is that git index file. Which I think is what the person also found. Enough of these pizza photos on my. You make me want to move foods. Let's just do this. Put this down at the bottom. Blurp, 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 blurp. Yeah. Reedy, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. This is git index file. Bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. A lot of pens there. This should fail. Love Neri, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Shed says, I'm doing alrighty, just doing some chores and stuff. ESPP came through, so I'm getting ready to sell that to help buy a car. Sadly, I need, like, right now. Hopefully that works out. Damn, this didn't fail. Probably because the file didn't exist, so we probably need an actual Git repo, which I'm pretty sure we have a thing for that in Gitder. Hmm. Hmm. Oh. Right. Annoying. Oh, I guess we could just do it like this. Uh, I make it fail before you can make it succeed, but we're not getting there yet. Fuck. Why is it working? I wonder if it needs to be a real repo. Oh. Yeah, probably does need to be a real repo. Ah, shit. Yeah, because we have to do the clone. We're bypassing all of that here. Okay, we'll do the full shebang. Schindler says, "Are you a core dev of Python?" I am not, but I have contributed to Python. This is annoying because there's a whole bunch of like annoying setup to make this work in test. I wonder if it's sufficient to do a local hook. I could probably do it as a local hook pretty easily. No, I don't. It will be a repo. Annoying. Push. Blah. Yeah, this is basically the same problem. And we have killed all of these. I mean, it's not terrible to do this, so I guess we'll just do that. Okay, let's do this the long way. So we have what? Make hello world. Reposer equals. If it writes to write Go is in Python. We're not really writing Go. We're just supporting it in a way. Battlestorm, hello. How you doing? Shane, you have football games last season? I watched. I went to one in person, and I watched one or two on television. But yeah, it was pretty slick season. Okay, so then we need to commit this. And then I got a little helper for that. Okay. Oh, we have to init this. I think I can just run get init. Need config from repos what we want. Ethan, thank you for the resub at 49 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. It's a good square number. Welcome back. Appreciate your continued support and for all the stuff you do for my pie. Add config to repo. Yeah, so I guess we oh. So then we need to install. What the fuck? Where's the test for this? I just saw this a second ago. Commit AM, yeah, here it is. Did we lose the original? Oh, maybe it's always... Maybe this is dash A. Yep. All files defaults to true. Means I imported this from the wrong place. I'm surprised my pie didn't yell at me. I don't know if you saw this chat, but I'm currently writing a build backend that runs in Wanzi. I did see that. I did see that. Kane and Jairus, welcome back. Hello, hello. How you doing? It's going well. It's going well. Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. Almost. Can I get by with allow empty? Maybe. Oh, but this doesn't actually write a pre-commit config, does it? Fuck. No, it's all good, Bugle Cook. That's why we fix it. Damn, this is annoying, because this doesn't actually have a pre-commit config. So... it isn't actually going to run. But... I forget if the empty template is a get repo. I think it isn't, so we can't do it there either. Fuck. Rainy Day Tomorrow says 1000% on loop. How does Go enter this picture to begin with? So pre-commit is a GitHooks manager thing, and one of the languages it supports is Go. Go. And Go at some point started scooping version control information from Git as it built. And during Git commits, they set an environment variable if you access them in a particular way. And that environment variable breaks Go's compiler grabbing VCS information. You have a language called fail? Yes, it's actually very useful. It can allow you, it can help you write a no-code pre-commit hook, which is nice. But now we're trying to replicate this, which means I need to set it up all the way through. Cats FPS, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And we have most of the part, but we don't have the pre-commit config. So I gotta do that here. Hookter not join path pre-commit hooks dot yaml dot write text. I think that's all I need for that to work. Let's see if we even get that far. No such file or directory go.mod. Guys, we have to do this, maybe? Entry. Yes, of course. I think that's what we called it. Okay. So, we cd here. What? Why didn't it find this repo? Confusing. Oh, none of the files are added. That would be why. There's no stuff in it. Pedro's looking for a new job. Interesting, interesting. Good luck with that. Um, there must be a git add that I'm missing. Yep, there it is. Okay, let's try that again. Please fail. Hell yeah. You have tomorrow off? Me too. Me too. If you're in the US. Okay, cool. So now we know at least it will fail. But you don't have tomorrow because Franchland, yeah. Nope. How the fuck does this work? Oh, it passes along the quarks. I see. I see. Bivestment. I already stood up today. I'm gonna. Well, now I'll have a moderator refund you. I don't feel like standing up. Sorry. Welcome back. Good to see you again. No. Yeah, you missed it. You had to be here. Does this have allow empty? It does. Okay, cool. This needs a CWD, I guess. Yeah. Do I have a command for this? You should try not telling people what to do. I don't give a fuck what you think. Don't tell me or anyone what to do. Strong first message. Yeah, I have a feeling they're not gonna fit in here. You think it's possible to create an AI bot that listens to you on stream and can act like a mod in chat? Probably not. Just a suggestion. No, don't. If everyone suggested everything that everyone does always, it would just be a nonsense stream. It's already pretty close to that. I don't care about your workflow. Don't try and convince me to use your workflow. Oh motherfucker, why does it pass? No. Oh, because we don't install the hooks. Right. Pseudo! Hello, hello, welcome back. How you doing? Yeah, I don't really understand those people either, Pedro. Kendra says, I aspire to code and have the speed in solving problems plus bugs as quick as you. I mean, being slow is fine too. I think we actually need to change this to in Gitster. And we need this in here somewhere. No need to be rude. You're the one who hopped in my chat and tried to tell me what to do. Get the fuck out of here. If anyone was rude, it was you. Damn, why is it passing? Oh, because this is the wrong Gitter. Oh, it's taking a while. That means it's doing something, right? Kara says, as an American, why do I not have President's Day? This is legit a scam. Yeah, that seems not good. Hello, person I've never met. You should do things differently. I didn't ask for advice. Wow, no need to be rude. Yeah. Yeah. I don't get why people want to interject their opinions all the time. Just leave me alone, let me do my thing. Alright, the actual fix for this is very simple. Just to take this guy. And somewhere in here. And do no get. Oh, damn. Underscored, isn't it? Oh, no, it's not. Okay. No get. And now. It should work. Colleges don't get President's Day off. Huh. That's weird. Hello world not found. Okay, this is fine. This is actually fine. This is because I named it something else, right? Hello world go. Oh, it's called golang-hello-world. But it got past the bill, which is good. The suffering! Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Tomorrow's called Family Day in most provinces in Canada. Oh, interesting. Eric RNG says, I trade Columbus Day for President's Day. And they're supposed to be the same day. If I ever become president, I'll change that. We'll get President's Day off. Yeah, there you go. I've been hopping in the help channel at work a bunch, and the amount of times I've had to ask to post full error message / logs would make your head explode. Yeah. I mean, that's basically my job at work. Like, hey, stop sending me screenshots. Hey, show me the actual error message. Hey, the part you copy pasted is not important. Like, damn. Some politician used it 14 years ago to get elected. Oh, that's crazy. That's pretty cool. Is the President's Day off? Yeah. Finley says Python is a wonderful language. It's really not, and it seems like it's getting worse, but sure. Yeah, a lot of fucking imports to make this little baby test here. And the one-line fix. The classic one-line fix. S1Q, below, how you doing? Storm says we still get that, and we have L1 and L2 for ends devs, and we get all that kind of junk. Yeah. Yep. No amount of seniority seems to make people good at doing this. The weird thing is, like, Sentry is like, yeah, we're an open source company, but a lot of the people that write software at Sentry have never worked in open source, and so they don't feel the pain of shitty bug reports ever. They don't understand that they're doing something wrong. Which, like, I mean, you educate them and improve them, that's a good way to level them up, but until you've felt the pain, you don't really know what's wrong. We have a show details button on error messages for customers. The amount of times we get reports without the details. Yeah. Feel good, you said clean.env looks terrifying, which is fair, I think. However, lots of people ship with .env example. I think it's more just spooky in that, like, reading an env file and transmuting it is a little strange, but why do you say Python is getting worse? I'm scared because I'm using Python Django in my day job. It's very hard to find Python jobs outside of machine learning. There's been a lot of syntax added to the language that I feel like either doesn't fit with the language or makes code harder to understand rather than easier. But I wish Python kept the one way to do things mantra. Yeah, they keep adding multiple ways to do things, which anyone had an issue recently where the Twitch player options, like change screen size, just stopped working? Yes. That's bothered me too. I don't know how to fix it. And Codfish, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, like the new f-string stuff, the walrus operator, the match case stuff, the shorthand keyword argument stuff that has Guido behind it, so surely it'll get forced through. Just like all these things that are like, do we really need this? Is this really the right way to do these? But I'd say most developers are the worst at reporting bugs, open source or not. People like to explain their proposed solution to their problem rather than problem solve. Yeah. Yep, that's classic. Gara says, I just pretend these features don't exist. Same. But when you have 200 people contributing to a repo, you can't really pretend they don't exist when other people want to use them. And if you try and prevent them from using them, then you're impeding their productivity. Blah, 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 blah. Fucking argument I don't want to get into. Going build during commit a. Oh god, I almost did the did I do that on the, oh man, did I do that on the, I hope I didn't. I hope I didn't do this stupid conventional commit garbage. Oh, please say I didn't. Oh, thank god. At work we require conventional commits. Require them. Let me show you my approach to conventional commits, because I think conventional commits are goddamn Waste of time. Let's see. What am I doing? I could have done a blobless clone for this to be faster, but fix building golang hooks during commit dash all. I'm working on weekends, yeah, because I'm cloning the work repo. It's a big repo. I don't know why it's so big. I think it's because people keep checking in giant fucking PNGs and MP4s. I'm still upset that Java added the var stuff because we have people who want to strongly use it throughout the code. What's the point of a type language if you can just ignore types? Yeah, it kind of forces you to use IntelliJ at that point. Yeah, Learning still works, but I've lost the typing outside of a text editor that supports it natively. I just can't look at the code and further type. Yep. Please tell me you've written a pre-commit hook to convert from usable commits to conventional commits. No, here I'll show you what I do. I'll show you what I do. Once this finishes fucking cloning. Get log author equals Anthony. Oops. Format equals %s. Awk. Grant $1. Sort. Unique just C sort dash RN. Right. You can tell right when these are actually ones that other people changed my commit message by editing my PR. This one was actually a security fix, so I had to mark it. I had to mark it as this, otherwise it wouldn't have gotten counted. This is before I realized that nothing fucking enforced this, so why was I wasting my time? And every other commit is just ref. And then the reverts. Yeah, we got some stacked reverts in here, but malicious compliance. C++ auto everywhere. Yeah. Again, that's another one where you kind of need the IDE. Auto for iterators, I feel like is fine. I like to write C code that depends on the width of my integers. It's very robust. Where's the Pokemon? I don't have anything that's entirely automated at the moment. Revert X10, yeah, this was the 3.11 rollout. Is ref instead of having feature branches? No. Ref is conventional commits for refactor. Like I said, malicious compliance. It's not actually I'm doing conventional commits by not doing conventional commits. Start Pal World using AI engine to auto catch Pokemon. Pals. Yeah. I've never been forced to do conventional. It sucks. It's so stupid. It's a fucking waste of time. A huge waste of time. Because the advocates for it are like, oh yeah, you can make an auto-generated changelog from it. Let me show you what an auto-generated changelog looks like. It's fucking garbage. No one would ever be able to read this ever. Who's yeah, real awesome auto-generated changelog. Plus 207 more. We don't even fucking bother. We don't even bother. Oh my god. We don't even bother. Plus 207 more. Christ. Generating changelog messages and anti-pattern? Yeah. We don't even fucking bother. We force things you'd hate on our work reviews because people are generally bad at Git. I mean, I get that. But yeah, I think conventional commits are so stupid. Okay, so it's building, it's doing the Windows things. I'm sold on conventional commits now. 10 out of 10. Failed successfully. Hey Viddle, welcome. We do squash merge into mainline branches. We also have a somewhat unconventional branching strategy. And we also squash at work. I also don't like that either, but every time I bring it up, people are like, well, we have devs that don't know how to use Git, and like every one of their commit messages is fix, and it's like, well, we could teach them and up level them and get them to actually be able to do this and like act as like a normal open source repository and like learn about atomic commits and how to format commit messages and do things the way an open source company would do. And every time I try and suggest it, I just get shot down. I'm like, okay. We'll continue to treat our devs like idiots and lose all the nice things, but teach devs? No, not possible. It's a myth. Yeah. So many people don't know how to rebase branches. We have so many closed open PRs. Oh my god. The other thing that we get a lot is people will rebase everyone else's commits. And so the entire company will get added to a pull request. And it probably happens like 2 or 3 times a day. Or people will make a PR that merges into another branch, and then they'll rebase their branch, and that'll pull everyone in again. It's so fucking annoying. But shrugs. For fuck's sake, it's not that hard to learn how to squash your commits. Probably takes 45 seconds. I agree. Totally agree. Still want to put a how to actually do commits video for my company? Yeah. Hearing that, but our devs are stupid argument in other companies is always super disheartening. Yep. The problem is, as much as that's a disheartening argument to hear, most of the times it's right. Meanwhile, when I do W3C things, everything is a mailing list that I have to dive into to understand a decision made like 7 years ago. Yeah, but at least it's written down. 100% of the time it's correct. Speaking of useless conventional commits. Ta-da! Alright, it's 1 commit. Amazing. Bitvestment says that's so rude. I've heard it so many times. So many times. Even told people the exact command they need to do to rebase the branch, and they just check out a new branch, cherry pick their commits, and close the PR and open a new one. Why are you mad? Because you closed a PR with my 50 plus comments, and now I have to start over. Yep. Yep. Aw. Drives me up the wall. That happens to me all the time, too. Drives me up a damn wall. Okay. So this is done. The purple at the bottom. This is done. The Lumen. Hello, hello. Welcome. Step 1, learn leak code to get a job. Step 2, don't learn Git. Just use git commit -m fix. Step 3, enforce squash on merge so you never learn how to use the tools for your job. Yeah, that's basically it. At which point I just request changes so you refer to the closed PR. Yeah, at least you can force the paper trail there. What's most annoying is when the manager says that we have top talent within the company, and then you look at the PRs and it's all crap. Yeah. To test locally, we have to push to our branch because Jenkins? What the fuck? Oh. Oh my. If a commit is under 1,000 lines, can it be a real commit? If it's over 1,000 lines, it probably shouldn't be a commit. Top talent, yeah. The lamp says locally in scared quotes. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. I think we're gonna make a commit from this. Okay, git log, one line, first parents, decorate. Okay, it's just this. Just this. I fucking hate making change logs. 2024. That's almost March. Gotta get my primary ballot in. It's been sitting on my desk for too long. What was the issue number? I'm gonna call out the person that actually made the useful report here as well. Since this went a year without anyone saying anything fucking helpful. Thank you, Matthew. There were 9 contributors on my work repo. I wonder how close, how far up I am on this one. Do, 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 do. 15th! Oh, it doesn't. Oh, sad. They got rid of the plus minus. So you can't see that I'm negative anymore. Oh, that's a big bummer. But let's see, the people ahead of me have like an extra year, more than a year. Yeah. So Yeah. Anyway. Productive. Yeah, GitHub removed it because it takes too long to compute. I remember sitting in a call and being like, I really love this feature. Why are you killing it? And they're like, it's expensive. Like, oh. Okay. Your CI takes 17 hours to start running? What the fuck do you do all day? Okay, Google, how many employees does Sentry have? I think I don't actually know the number. I think it's somewhere around like 200 or 300. But okay, man, that's our change log. We got all the files. Yep. 6.2. Run the deprecated command. But I don't give a shit that it's deprecated. PI. I'm gonna say the contributors page loaded real quick, but I guess that's why. Yeah. You figure out a one-liner to calculate my plus minus now? Yeah. Yeah, there's a thing for it. But they made it way more annoying. Does it send a rocket into space first? Yeah. Years later, their two-person passion project is the world's leading air tracking platform with 200 plus employees and 4 offices. 4? 4? Is the Michigan office counted? What's the 4th one? I know. Oh, I guess they probably count the Seattle WeWork. I guess they probably count the WeWork. That makes sense. Liam says thoughts on UV. I mean, you can probably just watch this video and extrapolate. Just tried to make pancakes, got the recipe wrong, ended up with bootlegged griddle cakes. That's up Seattle, Toronto, Vienna. Yeah. The Seattle office is, I don't want to say it's less of an office, but it's not a full office. Boop. Yeah, the thing is, build office, it doesn't really improve anything for Bremet, so there's kind of no reason. Andrea had such a long onboarding process. I did some contracting work for me. It was like 50 plus IT emails to get me going. Yeah, it's actually easier to become an employee than it is to be a contractor. Begin install, it doesn't really make a difference there. It would be slower to pull down that thing and then run it than it would be to just use pip in the first place. And install is a one-time cost, so it's not really worth optimizing. Net negative until 2024, then I had like 15k lines in the last 2 months for the new product line. I hate when that happens. Fortunately, I don't do actual work, so I just delete code all the time. Yeah, this person never actually. Yeah. They never followed up. I was forced to do actual work because I didn't trust the other people to do LLM stuff correctly. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna take a break, grab some water. Because I am behind in that. So I will be right back, and then we got some Dead Snake stuff to do. I will see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. How's it going? What are you? You're good at bamboozling me. Kegs is back as well. Hello. The real mop, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so we are trying to make import upstream idempotent. Like how some of these are signed and some of these are not. Yeah. You should try TMX. JK, don't man me, please. Mad Cat, hello, welcome, welcome. Saner Owl, thank you for the follow and welcome to the stream. Okay, so let's try this out. I think there's a way we can make this a lot simpler. What are you up, row? If you spelled it right, I think the bot would have told you. Oh, there's already. Yeah, I think a lot of this code can be skipped. Excuse? Well, I don't know how to say that. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. This is the tags to the optional pattern. What is the fucking command that I want? Check if tags is get. I don't like that. This is a weird one. Yeah, I thought it was quiet verify, but quiet seems to not do anything. L'Assault! Thank you for the resub at 30 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Ezekiel is also here. Hello, hello. Well, welcome back. Yeah, they're going to use Redquare's quiet verify this instead. Yes. Process.run get rev parse quiet verify Egg. Probably just do surprise to call, right? If rand equals 0, print exiting. Oh, are these all flush equals true? No. Oh, but this is a little dot dot dot. Yep. Okay. I don't think these need it because they have flushing already. Yeah. So probably have to reclone. This is the one that I think got updated. Ecology says, "What kind of keyboard is that?" If you would have said what keyboard is that, you would have been good. LaSalle says, "Doing great, thanks. Good to hear. Good to hear." The Lumen says, "I'm learning Python at the moment. Quit my job as an IT admin to become a full stack Python developer. Any advice for the noob?" Build projects. Yeah. Oh. Clearly didn't work. Cool. Alright, I think that looks good. That was weird. I don't know why it did weirding. Okay, so should be able to approve this. Button flipped up. Should be able to merge that. And we should be able to go to here. And maybe this will work. Good XP Games, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. 12.2. I kind of don't think this is going to work either, and we're going to have to make another thing idempotent as well. But maybe it'll just work. Fingers crossed. Oh, also have to do 3.11. Unless this one got done already. Oh, neither of those ones got done. Damn, this one failed. Okay. So we need to skip this if it does nothing. Should be easy enough to do. Use an alt keyboard layout. I do not. Yeah, so we do this a few times. You. Yeah, so this is what's erroring. I guess we can add another one of these. We can probably just try and find the SVer. Krostislav, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. That is that. Oh, but this is not going to work for a different reason. Because of this. Because it's going to try and recommit as the bot. Damn. So I'm going to have to re-release anyway. It's fine. That's fine. Yeah, because it checks that the GPG key matches whatever the username is here. And since that's different than the bot user, it wasn't ever going to succeed. Well, says Wolfred. Thank you for the restab. It's 16 months. It's good to see you. How you doing? Look who decided to come back to us. I try to stream once a week. Sometimes twice. I've been busy. I'm trying my best. Oh. Alright, Chip key time. PG. Oop. Tisk tisk. What am I getting tisked for? No, that's probably fair. Do 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 do. Jammy, 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 jammy. Jammy, jammy. Right through withdrawals. Oh no. Get Kim in a minute. What happened here? More GPG key stuff. And then I gotta do 311. And maybe there's a new 313 alpha? Unclear. I'm busy at work? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, work's been a lot lately. I haven't seen an Ally stream in a while. Does she still stream? Yeah, it's 312. Am I building Python from source? Yeah. Supportive. I just bother Anthony on Discord and he gets annoyed. I didn't say that. I didn't say I got annoyed. Oh, this garbage. I forget how I resolved this before. Lovely Ron, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Ah, we have it already. It's gonna be in this refresh patches somewhere. Import stat as underscore stat is what got added. Oh. Boop boop boop. I think that's right. Oh, I don't want to lint this file. Never mind. Oops. Oh. That doesn't look right. This is gone. Let's see what they got. Yeah, that's why I really need to make a way to just take the nightly and promote it, because as I do this work twice, well, I do this work 4 times. Okay, so they do have the stat import there, but I want to say it's also down here. No, it should be down there. Yeah. Git maintenance would be useful. Yeah, except not, because they're in separate repos. How does this what does this shit even do? It's FTS. It's SQLite FTS. It's not very good. It's not very good, sorry. Couldn't figure out the 2 to 3 thing, so I just deleted it. Nice. Double under all. I don't know that I've made a video about double under all. Let's see. Can't spell my own username. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. 61 and 288. Oh, right, of course. 61 star imports and 288. Avoiding F401 and int.py. Yeah, those are the 2 relevant ones. There you go. Okay, that patch looks correct. How often do you work with H keys? Don't know what that is, so probably never. What's new with you, Mr. Thong? Not much. Not much at all. Not much at all. The Windows thing. Oh, you mean like the registry? I think I have done a total of 2 things that deal with the registry. I couldn't get a job I wanted because I didn't work with them. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't have known them to be referred to as H keys. Like, if somebody asked me if I had done something with the Windows registry, then yeah, I would know what the answer is, or what they're asking for. But referring to them as H keys is a little bit weird. GitHub now supports SH public key signatures. I did see that, yeah. So delete that, this, move this down to here. Shows how much I know about them. Yeah, I mean, the registry is basically large persistent global key value store for applications. And if you fuck with it and you don't know what you're doing, it's really easy to break a bunch of applications or the OS itself. There was like a running meme similar to the like delete system 32 lamaus of fucking with the registry and bricking your computer in the 90s. It's a lot less likely that you need to muck around with internals nowadays, but it definitely was a thing before. Alright, let's see if there's other releases that we need to also do. 3.13.0 Alpha 4. Unless that one already got done. Let's see. Actions manually 2 months ago by me. So that did not happen. 3.13.0 Alpha 4. Dose of talk meat away a day keeps the syntax errors away. Yeah, I did see your comment, Kexit. Chose to not say anything. I think this will apply cleanly because I don't think the nightly has failed in a while. But oh, why is there zoom on this? Nimzo Indian says, just curious, do you have any thoughts on current state of monorepo setups for Python? Yeah, don't use monorepos. You create more problems than you solve. Yeah. Shrugs. Interesting take. Like, I get it. Monorepos can be helpful for some things, but the amount of like bullshit you have to fight in order to make them work, and even then, really work. So Python or fundamentally any language, I think they work in languages that are designed around the idea of a monorepo. Like Go was specifically written to solve Google's problems with shitty developers in large code bases, and so like it kind of fits well for that. But otherwise you kind of have to like bolt on the idea of an isolated build system to languages that don't have any sort of idea of what that would look like. Like for instance, Bazel is really good at making a monorepo work, but getting anything that doesn't really jive with Bazel to work in Bazel is a huge pain in the ass. Disparate ML projects, it's hard not to go with the monorepo route, but like with disparate ML projects, there's not really anything you're sharing. And do you really want a monorepo for your ML projects, or you're gonna end up with like a 3 GB blob of nonsense that no one wants to clone or deal with? And most of the time they don't care about 90% of the contents of that repo. Probably even more. Lusuke, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. We've also got Silly Laird who is here. Our Google is literally one big fucking monorepo. It is for a lot of the core stuff, but there's also a lot of like spin-off small things too. It's not entirely monorepo. Okay, I got to the build step, so I think that's going to succeed. LLVM monorepo. If I fork your repo and it's 20 gigs, yeah. The thing is, like, I don't think monorepo really works well for open source, or it's rarely needed for open source. Yeah, it doesn't provide tangible benefits. There are some like small fringe cases where like you're developing an entire suite of tools that all have to work together, or your application is so damn big that you need it. But I don't know. When you want a compiler backend, you get a 10 gig dependency. Yeah, most language tools aren't that much better. Like installing a REST tool chain is like 3 gigs of nonsense. Maybe it's 2 gigs nonsense. A lot. Twenty gigs after one command feels like npm. Kind of. Okay, I'm gonna let those build. The last part of this stream today is more of an open question, because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'll show you sort of what I'm doing. I am trying to make a custom object detection model. And basically what I have done is taken a shit ton of screenshots from my Pokemon script that is semi-automatically trying to encounter Porygon, Porygon 2, and Porygon Z. And I have lots of these screenshots of varying quality of where there are Porygons. Sometimes they're lurking behind the trees. Sometimes you can barely see them. But I have gone through and labeled each of these images with rectangles around here, with the hopes that I can feed this labeled set of data and make a custom object detection model. Because right now, the way I'm detecting Porygon is really fucking jank. I am looking for pink colors and blue colors and hoping that the two rectangles collide. However, you'll see that there are other blue colors and pink colors. And I think I actually really like this screenshot because this floatzel just looks fucking hilarious in the foreground here. Oh, I actually have another interesting screenshot among these. No, it's in the Porygon 2 ones. Still the Porygon ones. Oh, those are the Porygon Z ones. Porygon 2. Okay, yeah. One of these ones in here. Okay, Porygon Z, Porygon 2. What is it? Not that one. This one. So my screenshot mechanism found a shiny Pokemon. This is the shiny Yanma chilling out here. Yeah, it doesn't matter because I've already found a custom. I've already found a shiny Yanma. Yeah, the idea is to make a machine learning model because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, and my approximation works pretty well, but there are a lot of cases where it just misses. Askonolov, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. He just lost his whole family. I have intrusive thoughts. Yeah, yeah. Oops. Wait, you can npmi LLVM? That seems like not the best idea, but also kind of funny at the same time. Yeah. So given all of this, I've gone through with a tool called label image, which is absolute garbage, by the way. It's written in Python with Qt, and the error messages for it starting up and crashing are terrible. And there's like a million results on the internet that are like, yeah, just sudo apt install this thing, and it's like, well, that doesn't really make any damn sense why you would do this. But I've gone through and labeled all these, and it spits out some terrible XML. Oh, I had to use Python 3.8 also. Because apparently it's just broken in 3.9 and above due to like a float int mismatch or something. Yeah, something like that, S1Cube. I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm looking for advice on what I should even attempt here. So I've gone through and labeled a lot of stuff, and hopefully that helps. But I guess now that I look at this and I see truncated and difficult, I don't know what the fuck these mean. But there are definitely some that it's truncated, so maybe I should have annotated these better, but I don't know. I have lots of negative screenshots too, which is also, I guess, helpful. But I don't really know what to do. Computer vision facepalm? Yeah, that is the facepalm here. Do you have ideas? Well, maybe I will invite you all to share your ideas with me on the Discord, so that I can learn what to do here. If only Porygon had fingerprints so you could scan them. Yeah. I mean, the nice thing about this is the colors are very different, so my approximation works pretty well. There's really something else can make this happen too. What GPU do you have? I have a 1080 Ti on this computer. I also don't super care how long training this model takes, because like if it takes days, whatever, I'll just do it. Yellow is an object detection model. You can fine tune it to detect your Pokemon. You can use Collab to train it. Oh. Yellow V8? What does that mean? New! Anyway, I don't know what any of this shit means. You can use is that Google Colab? Oh, Yellow V8. Did I just watch one of these fucking thingies? Running this notebook on Google Cloud. Hardware accelerator. Ultralytics. What a fucking package name. I once read a tool which could determine which game is being played. Later it turned out it only detected the streamer, not the game. So if you need help, don't ask me. Oh no. Thought I'd never see the day? The world is ending soon? It's true, it's true. Yeah. Piercing dog, okay, blah blah blah. An ad. Wait, why do I need this? Surely I don't need this. I've already labeled them. Can I just upload my labels? You're gonna need more screenshots? Well, fortunately I have 2,000 of them. I have so many screenshots. I have only labeled a couple hundred here. Yeah, I've labeled 306. 2,000 might not be enough? Really? Snow is here! Hello, hello. I saw you stream the other day, but I was busy. $2,000 is not enough? That feels like... It feels like a lot. You can look at the score to see. So the other question that I had while I was labeling these is, should I just be trying to label things that are very clear? Like this one is very clear. This one is not. Should I be including this in my data set that I score or not? You're a Twitch senior citizen. Yeah, we're Twitch geriatrics at this point. So I should include these. That was my thought too, because I was like, this is actually a good example of something that it should try and identify, even though it's obscured. Twitch elderly? Yeah. Because I didn't even download all of the images here. There's like a whole bunch of other ones that I've skipped over, but... let's see. Find dot max min depth 1, max depth 1. Start at pi. Min depth 2, max depth 2, PG. Yeah, I have this many screenshots. So hopefully that's enough information. Now, not all of these are usefully have porygons in them. Some of them are other Pokemon. How have I been, Python and Anthon? I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Oh, I have a feeling you might need more. Damn. Well, I can kind of generate an infinite number of them by just walking around and just scooting out a video feed. I think I can generate infinite of them. This is really just like the ones I've collected so far. Oh, and speaking of which, it just beeped. I can actually check on it downstairs. This one just beeped. I can tell because it's the loud one. So we actually just got a brand new screenshot from this. Let's see what it failed at. I got the space for it? Yeah. What did my thing fail to detect here? I didn't actually move far enough forward. So the Porygon spawns like right here, but I'm still on the fish, and my script doesn't know about the fish. But anyway, like, there's still a lot of stuff that I need to get better at with the pathing too, but the identification I'm a little spooked on because of false positives. Although I don't think it has, well, I haven't checked rigorously, but I don't think it's false positive done anything yet. There's a lot of false negatives that should be obvious to detect though. But damn, training annotating thousands of images sounds like a pain in the ass. It'll never be perfect, but it'll be good enough. I'm just hoping that it's better than the fucking jank shit that I'm doing already. Because it's close enough, but not great. 188,000, just start with the number you have. Yeah. Okay, I'll try that. I'll see where it goes. Google Collab, Yellow V8, you're right. If you need to label more because it sucks, push it to Discord and let's chat do it. Oh, let chat do it. Oh, let you guys annotate my data for me. Crowdfund the annotation. Fred says there are a lot of colors. Yeah, the nice thing, at least about the Porygon, is they seem to have a pretty unique color. Like the pink doesn't really show up anywhere else. We can be useful once. The tricky thing though is it's gotta not detect the shiny. It's gotta be able to differentiate this from the actual thing. I assume we'll be paid in stock. What does the other one look like? This is the shiny. This is the not. They're pretty different. This screenshot I took manually though, you can see I've already caught it. Yeah, it's very different. This is not the one that I'm looking for though. I'm looking for the evolved form. I'm looking for Porygon Z, which is also very different, but different. Heading out. Well, thank you for stopping by, Snow. Always good to see you. I will see you around. Yeah, this isn't the Legends Arceus screenshots, but it's you know, a little bit darker color, but they're very different. So I think this should work. Hopefully. I can also bump up the resolution if that helps too. Like, is it going to be better at 1080p or is it going to be better at 720p? I suspect it'll be faster at 720p, but I know nothing. I am empty brain. I know nothing. Okay, anyway, chat to me on the Discord about that. Doesn't matter. Perfect. Chat to me about this on the Discord. I'll try and keep you updated in my stuff I'm doing channel. But I think that's gonna wrap us up for today. That's what I'm derping on in my free time. And hopefully I get something cool out of it. Otherwise, I don't know. I'll waste a bunch of time. I'll probably learn something and then go back to refining my shitty method. But yeah, that's gonna wrap us up for today. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel. Do I get it before DDels? I got it before DDels today. Hey, look at that. At youtube.com/anthonywritescode. If you missed any part of the stream, you can catch that on the second channel, the VODs channel, which doesn't go up on Twitch because of DMCA shenanigans. Oh no, Wraith Within. Well, hello, goodbye. Oh, I just passed 35,000 subscribers. Look at that. Neat. Neat. What else? I announced my streams on the Discord, which you are free to join and come hang out with us. There's a bunch of fun social channels. Where I can type like you? Anywhere. Snow gifted a sub to Ezekiel. Oh, are you your button? Congrats on 35. Thanks, Snow. I appreciate it. Yeah, but that's it. That's gonna wrap us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.